Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So in today's video, I am going to show you another way of how we can actually bind a image to our apps. So earlier we have seen a way, right? That is uploading this particular image into the storage bucket, linking it into our apps, and then assigning all of that. So that's one way, but I felt there might be another easy way which we can also do to bind these images. So in today's video, I'm going to show you that procedure. It's very simple, very easy, and you can learn it very easily. And if you're publishing your app, there won't be any issues with respect to the storage bucket. So it's just the URL. We are using the URL of that particular image in order to bind it into our apps. So without any ado, let's get into this video and see how we can do this. I feel this is the smartest way and the easy way binding the image into your app. So let's get into the video and see it. So before to that, what I wanted to show you is there's something called as variables in apps. So if you have watched the previous video, I have already shared that there's something called as apps file. So this apps file is a file objects specific for apps, okay, which handles files uploading or downloading, right? So whenever you're uploading an image, I mentioned you in that previous video that the variable, whatever the variable that holds that image, should be of the type apps file. So this is one thing that we've learned in the earlier video. So if you wanted to know that method as well, like how you can do it through storage bucket, then definitely you should watch that video. I'll provide the link of the video in the description, and I'll provide you the card on top of the video here. So, and coming back to the original topic, this apps file, I'm going to utilize this apps file and also the URL. So if you see, this is the file that I'm using. So I went over here, I just copied. So let's take this image, okay? Copy image address. So this make sure that this is not breaking and the image is pointed exactly right, okay? So I have copied the image address of this particular image, okay? Now go back to your app. So I hope my app is over here. Let me check it. Okay, so let's go back to the app, and what you need to do to bind the image, just take one control, image, right? Pull that over here. So this is my image. Now what I'm going to do, there is no need of storage bucket, no need of binding anything. Only one thing that you have to do is, for that particular image, there's an property called source. So in the source, I am going to provide this. So how you can do this? Just I have mentioned you that the expected type is apps file, right? So just give apps file, right? So you have to provide it in this way. New apps file. And what is the URL of the image? Provide it in the double quotes. Provide the URL of the image in the double quotes. That's it. Just click on save, and let's do a little bit of styling to increase the font of it to 250 and 250. Okay, this is increased. Let's go and check the preview of the app, how this is appearing after we've binded the URL. Perfect, right? We could see that image, whatever we've copied, the URL of the image has come up, right? So this is how you can do. So all these are different ways that you can utilize based on your requirement. So why I have come to this approach is, when I tried publishing this app, so there's a feature called public apps. So my next video is going to be that. So what is a public app, why we can, how we can actually publish the app to others, outsiders, how they can view the app, and um, do some actions on the app. All of this I am going to talk about in the next video, which is a topic called as public apps. So when I published my app, I was not able to see some of the images because the storage bucket was not linked properly, right? So whenever I'm publishing it to the outsiders, I was facing issue with the images. So maybe some miss was there from my side or binding issue. I'm not sure exactly what went wrong, but I want everything to be smooth. So how can I do it? If I have the URL attached in the source already, then definitely there is no chance of binding miss from the storage bucket, right? So I found this is the easiest way and the smartest way for binding the images. Do comment out and let me know what is the way that you found more feasible and why in the comment section. So I would love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on it and which one you found more useful and interesting? So do let me know in the comments, and also like the videos and share across your friends. If you found the videos useful and the content informative, do consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next time with the next video.